Welcome back to this video. For everyone using Gmail, consider to watch this from beginning to the end and see important security settings you need to review right now before you start using Gmail in order to protect your privacy and online safety. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail. I'm going to click on here to open up my Gmail. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon on your Gmail top right corner. And the next thing you need to do is to click on your Google account. The next thing you need to do is to click on security and sign in. That's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down, continue to scroll down right here, continue to scroll down until you get to your connection, third-party apps and services. What you need to do is to simply click on see all connections right here. Here, you will see some apps or websites that you have using your Gmail account to create an account with them or to have access to such a website or app. And as a result of that, this is one of the reasons why some of your Gmail can be hacked or your information can be read without your consent. So if you take note of any app or website right here that you are not trusting, what you need to do is to simply select on the app or website. So I'm going to click on this particular web right here, this app right here. And it's going to load up like this. Then simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on here to proceed. So let's show the connections you have with cheapest. So what you need to do is to simply click on confirm right here. Once you hit on confirm, then you are no longer connected to the cheapest Visa card. You are no longer connected to the cheapest Visa card, BTC. You can connect to cheapest Visa card, BTC again anytime. Simply click on here to close this tab. Then you will be taken back to your Google account security. You can review as many as possible and delete as many as possible app or website that is having access to your Gmail account in order to improve and protect your online privacy. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.